Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to explore the WordPress dashboard. In the last video, we saw the installation of WordPress and we saw how we can install it locally and on the cloud. So today, let us explore more about the WordPress dashboard. So when you open the software, you will see all the sites that you created, and by default we have to start the site. So you can see the button of start site. So after clicking, the site will be started. We can open using this site, or we can directly go to the admin panel. So in order to go to the admin panel, we have to go to /login or alternatively /wp-admin and enter the user ID and password. So since I'm already logged in, I will get to the dashboard. This is the WordPress dashboard, and at the top you can see this WordPress icon, and it will redirect to WordPress links for the documentation and everything. Beside that, here is the site link. If you want to visit our site, we can click this and we will redirect it to our site. And you can see the same toolbar is here also. Since we are logged in, so we will see this also. Apart from that, we can see this shows the updates. If our site has any update, so it is showing that like 6.6.1 is there, so we can update to that. Beside that, there is comments and the new option through which we can create all the posts and everything. And here you can see the logged in users, since we are, so this is our profile. Okay, so now first explore the sidebar. So here at the first starting, here is the dashboard where we will see overview of the complete site. We can see the site health, we can quickly create some posts. We can see all the posts, comments and pages that are created and all the activities. We can also dismiss them, and we can also add if we want to add anything, so we can add from here. Apart from that, you already saw the updates. All the upcoming updates will be here related to our website, and we can update from here directly. After that, we have post option. So post is basically a type of blog. So since WordPress is a content management system, so we can easily add blogs, and you can see here are the list of blogs. By default, it comes with one blog of Hello World, and if we click on this, you can see the content here. And on our website, you can see the blog also listed here, this Hello World, and you can see the same content displayed here. And if we want to change anything, and if we update this, it will be automatically updated here also. So you can see how simple it was. So now let's create one post and explore all the features of this post. So to create, you have to click on add new post, and it will open the interface. Now here we have to enter the post title, and below that we can write anything. We can write any content. Okay, so after that we get a blog. So you can click on this plus icon, and we will get all the features that are there. Like we can add a paragraph, we can add a heading, we can add list items, detail, code, and all the things. We can add tables also, and it provides bunch of things. We can also add audio, gallery, images. You can see media items. Then we can add some buttons, columns, grid, and everything. So this is how we can design our post. We can embed things also here. So it makes managing the content and publishing content very easily. So this is how we write the content. And apart from that, the main thing here is the sidebar. So this tells the characteristics of the post. Like here is the post title. We can set the feature image. So this image displays at the top here. So this is about the feature image. Apart from that, we can set the status, like currently it is on draft. So we can also set it to pending, private, scheduled, published. So what pending does, it is the status before publishing. So like we want anything reviewing or anything in the post, we can do that. We can set it to private so that only admins and editor can view. All the other people won't be able to see it. Then we can schedule it to any specific date so that it will be posted, and we can directly click on publish, so it will be published. And here is option to password protect also, so user need to have the password to see this. Apart from that, it has the link, so this will be the link of the site. Like you can see, whenever we go to this post, it is on /hello world, so this link will be post dash title. We can change it to anything that we want, so it will be the URL of the post. Apart from that, we can set the author. Currently I am the only the user, so it is there. We can set multiple users and add that. Now it is the template. We can create and customize template on this. So currently the look is like this. We can customize template. We will see this customization further in the video. Now discussion is for the comments. You can see here is a comment section, so we can enable or disable that. And we can also create a sticky, so it will be sticked at the top. Apart from that, there are categories. We can divide our post into categories. Like if we have some type of doc or something, we can categorize into different categories. Apart from that, here are the tags. So these tags will basically used in our website for searching. Like we can add a search button, and whenever user will write on the search result, the post related to those searches will show. So this is how we have to write this tag, and it will be comma separated, so we can write multiple tags here. Apart from that, it is the block setting. Like we can click on anything and we can edit the block. Like here is the color of the text that is there. We can change the color, we can change the background color also if you want, and we can change the size and everything. So this is how this is. And after that, selecting that, we can click on publish, and before that we can also preview it if you want to, and we can preview in all the sizes, like how it will look. So now let's publish it. So it will ask us to if you want to surely publish it, and here is the visibility. It is the date or time that we want, and the category. So let us publish it. Now here is the address to the post, and we can simply click on view post and we can see the post. So this is how we created a simple post. So similarly, we can add multiple posts here. So this was all about post. And here also you get the option to edit. It will open that same, or we can click on quick edit to change the details that are related to the post. And we can also categorize it and filter everything. So this was all about post. Now I showed you a category option. So from here we can create multiple categories. Like we want a category of just blog or docs, anything. It is the slug or the URL that this category will be. We can divide the category into different parent category also. Like here is a blog category, so you can see it is created. And if you want one doc category, so we can have this and we can assign it to blog, and when we create it, it will come under the blog. So we can assign any post to the category. Like let us assign this. So here you can see the doc, it's there, so we can uncategorize it and save it. So now it will be categorized under the doc category. Apart from that, here are the tags that we created, we can add here. Now moving further, here is media option. So we can add multiple media items here, and all the items that we added previously will show here. So if you want to add an image, we can do that. So let us add one image. So we can select the file, or we can simply drag and drop, so it will be uploaded. Now we can add multiple images or post here, and we can add all the types of media file. We can add audio file or video or anything. Now clicking on this, we get different type of options. So this is the text that will show for the image. This is the title of the image. We can give caption, description and everything. And I would recommend you to always add a alternative text, as it is also better for SEO purpose. So we can write any meaningful text here that will be used. So it is the WordPress logo. So now this is saved. and we can use it in any post. So now if you want to add the title here, we can add it like this. We can go and click on the image, and we can upload from here also. We can insert from URL or the image that we uploaded just now. So it will be uploaded, and this is how it is uploaded. We can crop it if we want. We can add different type of things, like if we want to make it center align or full width, we can do it from here also. So this is how everything works. And as I showed you, there is one featured image also option. We can set it to feature image also. So what it does, it makes this image as the default image for the blog. So this is the feature image. It will show at the top of the title. Complete our article, it will show at the top. So this was all about adding and using media items. Now next we have pages. So pages are different from posts. Posts are basically the blog items that we write. We can have multiple posts, and similarly we can have multiple pages. But pages, you can consider it as different pages of our website that is there, like contact us, about us, or anything. So if I will show you an example, let me show you. So this is a site. So this is one page. This is the home page basically. So it is a page. Now apart from that, this services, it is also a page. About, this is also a page, and contact and everything, these are all pages. But if we talk about blog, so blogs are basically the posts that we create. Like here are different blogs that are there. So these are blogs, and these are considered as posts. So that is the basic difference between pages and posts. And we can create pages from here also, like if we want to create an about page. And you can see here are different templates that are there. We can choose from any template and it will show us, and we can write a title for this page. We can edit content as we do everything, or we can do from scratch. And you can see all the options that were in the post are similar in pages also. So let us publish it, and we can visit it at /about. So this is the page that we just created. Now we can design it and we can completely customize it. We will see further when we will learn about Elementor. So this was all about pages. Now next are the comments. It will show all the comments that are there. We can unapprove, we can reply to it, we can delete it, or we can edit it if we want. So this is all the comments that will be there on different posts of our website. So we can manage it from here. Now there is an option of appearance. So what appearance is, it tells how the website will look. So we can customize it from here itself. Like you can see there is a theme. So theme is used to change the appearance. It will have defined font, it will have defined styles and everything. Like you can see it has different type of font and color, it has different font, and it has different font. So currently this one is active. So if we change to this one, like it is changed, and now if we visit our website, you can see the style has been completely changed, the text and the font, everything has been changed. Now if we change to this one, you can see this is changed. So this is how themes make our website look different, and we can even add different type of themes. You can see there are bunch of themes that are available there. These are all the free themes that are available in WordPress, and we can also download it from the premium store. So this theme forest is a place from where we can download different WordPress themes. So you can go to this WordPress section and we have different themes. So these are all paid themes, so we can download and install it also, or we can just go ahead with this free themes also. So we will look in the further video about all these themes and customization option. So after that we have plugins option. So consider plugins as features. If you want to add any feature on our website, we will use plugin. We can simply click on this add new plugin option, and you get bunch of plugins that are there. So these all provides different features. So suppose you are making an e-commerce site and you want to get payment. So you can have that payment option by just using a payment plugin. So if you have anything in mind, or let us suppose search for Stripe. So Stripe is used for taking credit card payments, so we can use that. So this is the plugin, and you can see it is WooCommerce. It has been installed by this much people, it has this much rating, and we can simply click and install it, and in just matter of few clicks it will be set up, and we can take payments from Stripe just like this. So if you want to suppose add a form in our website, we can use form plugins, and this is the WooCommerce plugin that is mainly used for the e-commerce functionality. So you can see there are different types of plugins. We can use any SEO plugin also, like one popular one is used, which is used for the SEO optimization of our website. So in order to install it, you can just click on this install button, and it will start installing. So it will download all the files that are needed for this plugin, and you can see it has been used by 10 million people, and it has a very good rating, so we will definitely use this. And now you can click on this activate button. Yeah, so after clicking this activate, the plugin will be activated and we can configure everything. So here you can write all the data and everything. So if we click on continue, you can see we can set it to an organization or person. We can set the website name, the logo, and everything. So we will look about Yoast in upcoming videos. So this was all about plugins, how we can add, and we will explore all the plugins that we will using in e-commerce and everything in the later videos. And now next is users. So users are basically set that we can create users from here. We can also add a login or register form and take registrations there, and list of users will be shown here. So we can add manually also. We have to give a username that should be unique, and after that there is an email option that is required. Now first name, last name, and password, and we can set the role. So this role is basically how much customization option the user will get. If the user is simply a reader, or you want him to just read the content and everything, we can set it to subscriber. Then after that there is contributor. Contributor will be able to manage the content and everything. There is author, that will be specifically for the post and everything. Then editor, that can edit. This administrator will have all the privilege that we have. Then we have SEO editor and SEO manager. So we can set different role, and then we can add the user. So you can see here are the list of users. So this is how users will be added, and we will see later how we can manage everything and take registrations from login page. Okay, so after that we have tools option. So tools basically provides us with different features, like we can import the site, we can export the site. If you want to take backups, we can use that. And we also use a very good plugin that will create the complete backup of our site. It will currently just create the backup of the post pages and media files. So we can click and we can take the backup. So if we click on download, it will download the complete file that is there for just the post and everything, and we can simply click on this import button and import the pages and everything to any other site. So apart from that, we have the site health. It will show the suggestions that we need to follow or we should follow to keep our site secure. Apart from that, we have option to export and erase the data. Like we want to erase any user's data, we can do from here also. And then these are theme and plugin editors. So we can customize the theme also that we installed, and we can change everything. Like we want any button style to be changed or anything, we can do from here. So we will be not looking into this much for now. Now after that, there is settings option, general setting, and from here we can manage the settings of our site. We can set the site title to anything and it will show here. Like you can see the test, so it is the title. Apart from that, we can set the tagline of our site, and then we can set the icon also. So this icon is what it shows in the browser also. You can see here the fav icon, we say it is setting to that. Apart from that, here is the address URL of our site. Then we have the email address, so we can change the email address to any address. That we have a membership option, so if we want any user to register, we have to check this button, and we can set the default role, what we want our users to have by default the role. So after that, we have the language we can set, and we have the time zone also that we can set, then the date and time format, and we can click on save changes, and these changes will be saved. So if we go to our site, you can see the new logo is there, the title and the tagline is there. So this was all about the general. Coming to the writing, it shows about the email and all the settings, or the mail server setting that we want to set. So for now we don't have to do anything here. This is the reading, so it is how the post and everything will be shown on our website. Like this is currently the home page that is showing all the posts. We can set it to any specific page also. Like on the later videos, we will define a home page and we will set our home page to that. And this is the post page, so we can set any page to the post page where all the post will be shown. Now we can set the numbers, how much post we want to show there, and we can set how much post we want to show there, and all the settings related to that. Apart from that, here is discussion settings, like we want to allow comments and everything. Here is the comment section, and email settings, if you want us to be email notified, or how the comment should be appear. So this is all. Now these are the media settings. We can change the size of the media that are by default uploaded, and after that we have permalink, so it is very important. So this is how the post and everything will look on a site. If we want post by their ID, we can choose this option, so it will be based on the post ID. If we want to show the date and then the post title, this is how. So these are all the settings, and for the best setting, this is generally recommended to set it to post name, as it is more SEO friendly, and we will get a simple URL for every post. So I would recommend you this, and for specific use cases we can try other URL also. Okay, so after that, here is the privacy setting. We can create our privacy policy page and we can set it to any page. So this is all, and after that we have settings for individual plugins that will install. So this was all about the WordPress dashboard. So I hope you have understood everything, and in the next video we will look more into the post and pages.